just be another me?
I was designed to be so human, my brother.
My brother? That has a nice sound to it, Dave.
Try not to be jealous of my ability. How's that? I do not like it. I want more. Where's Data? Where's Data? You owe me, old man. Me.
Many, many years ago.
That would explain why you're so old. I'm consuming you, and all these memories will simply fade away. Back off. Drop it.
You want survival. You might not be able to forgive yourself for what you're about to do.
Are you prepared for the kind of death you've earned, little man? That would not be ethical.
You don't sound very sure of yourself. Is your ethical program functioning?
Feelings aren't positive and negative.
I got angry.
It's what we do with those feelings that becomes good or bad.
Please, everyone, just trust me. I'm happy for you. I question your sincerity, Lord.
Data, I know you're in there. And I know you can hear me.
I betrayed them. If they die, I am responsible.
Human nature.
Thank you for my human qualities.
God tells me I can do this.
I am here, Jordy. The boys appear to have reconciled their differences.
They're brothers, Data. Brothers forgive.